Now is the time not to force yourself to anything. Maybe also to stop consuming the books, just to go out, to move in the nature, to feel it, to perceive it, to go into silence and to feel what will happen to you then. Intuition is something very sensitive. Try to catch a drop of water. It feels a little bit like that. Sometimes it runs through your fingers. Sometimes you can really catch it. You can scarcely see it. You can just feel it. This drop, will I take this impulse? Something little, and it depends on me whether I will let it become big. The eurythmy? The eurythmy is a huge water stream. It is a waterfall. What I will do? I will first of all take this drop. I will perceive it. I will begin with it, with the eurythmy. But the aim is to put yourself under the waterfall.